set up with our nitrogen. Got everything hooked up. I back seated, or front seated I should say. Front seated liquid valve. We're going to go to the liquid valve. That way this does not go into the compressor. This will blow out and up and into the coil and back down from here. I am going to keep my finger over this, or a rag if I've got one handy here. So I'll grab a rag, pop that over it. Just doing sure, guys, you don't want to get crap in your lines, man. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and blast her out. So I'm adding, taking my hand out of this, and we're applying some just letting it build pressure. There we go. We did that pretty good a couple of times there. I'm going to go ahead and flush it next with our R11 flush here. Alright.